Green color. Black color. Yellow color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. D. E. Small letter A. B. C. D. And E. Counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's paint. This is a blue color. A for aeroplane. Capital letter A. B. B for banana. C for cow. D for donut. E for elephant. Light green color. Small letter A. A for alligator. Small letter B. B for bat ball. C for cherry. D for dolphin. And small letter E. E for egg. Red color. Number 1, 2, number 3, four, and number 5. Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A, B, C, D and E. Small letter A, B, C, D and E. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.